Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is coming from Myfirstwig. Everything about her will be in my description box below, so make sure you guys are checking it out. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe. Only subscribe if you really enjoyed this video and you wanted to see more. And if you are already following me, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I always appreciate you guys for showing love to my channel, and your support never goes unnoticed. So let's get into this wig, shall we? So like I said, this wig is from Myfirstwig. She is a cute, kinky textured bob, perfect transition wig for the fall. Yeah, I understand everybody is like, it's not fall just yet. Okay, look, I'm over summer, okay? I wanted to go ahead and kind of pluck some of that hairline a little bit. She was a little dense for my liking, so I went in and just tweezed her up just a little bit. What I love about these units from Myfirstwig, they're definitely beginner friendly. In this install, I am not going to be using any type of adhesive. So like I said, I am tweezing that hairline, and then I will go in and flat iron her out as well. This step is definitely self-explanatory. I love the texture of this unit. She is definitely giving blowout. She's giving fresh out the salon. I just love how she just falls in place. So I'm just going to go in and just cut a little bit of her off. I ended up cutting a little bit more, but you know, all of that is going to make a huge difference in the end. So I seen the girlies on Instagram flat ironing the top of their units by flat ironing the lace. So I went on and did that because I definitely wanted the top of my head to be really flat. I'm like, this actually worked. This wig at first glance is definitely giving 𝗙𝗏 𝗙𝗏𝗀𝗃. Besides me looking like a Pixar DreamWorks character, the hairline eats, definitely eats. My son kind of came in while I was recording. Obviously, he woke up from a nap, baby. You see that little dry slop on the side of his mouth. My baby had him a good little nap. I ended up using my LA concealer in the middle in the color Fawn. Overall, this wig was extremely easy to put on. I love the texture. I would definitely do more fun things with her. Y'all see how I'm putting her in different styles and everything? I don't know. She just needed body and layers. She just needed a little bit of oomph to her. So I love in the end how I was able to give her these feathered layers. Like the hair looks extremely natural. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank Myfirstwig for sending me this unit to review for you guys. And like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.